Hello and welcome Pokemon fans, I am Professor Squirtle and today we're going to open up one of each of the new Pokemon Go team boxes. So I have all three of them here. So if you enjoyed today's video, please do leave a like, and while you're down there consider hitting the subscribe button and notification bell. It really does help. So we're going to have a look at these boxes in a bit of a more detailed view as we crack them open. Just having a quick bit of coffee. So we're going to start with my team, Team Mystic, but let me know your teams in the comments below. So we get 6 packs in each box. We get the not the same, but the pin for that team. Can't think of the word right now, but it will come to me later, and the leader of the team as a promo. So this one is Team Mystic, so we've got the Team Mystic pin and the Blanche full art promo as well. So let's go. So far from the English set, I've not pulled any of my chase cards, and honestly I'm not expecting to. I would love to. Oh, got things falling out. So we've got the codes for everyone. Made in the USA. Okay, let's get this promo out. There we are. Look at that. So this isn't a promo in Japanese, but it is in English. In Japanese it's a secret rare. So you get a secret rare guaranteed in every Japanese box, but we don't in English. In the English set. But I would recommend watching the last Pokemon Go video we did, because we had an error box, error pack should I say. That is a very nice pin. Let's get our 6 packs, and that's what I was looking for. Code card for you all. Put that there. So let's get going. Try and speed through these. So I've not even had a Ditto or a Radiant card yet from this set. I've had Squirtles, Blanche for the full art Blanche. Yeah, I've had my Squirtle fixed, but nothing else that I'm after anyway. Spinarak, I've got Rattata, Meltan Reverse, Moltres Hollow. Okay. Apparently I shouldn't be handling cards if I'm going to throw them around. Okay, let's get into this one. There's the code card. I'm knocking everything everywhere. Yay! So we've got Water Energy, Ivysaur, didn't want to move, Egg Incubator, we've got the Chansey, Meltan, Eevee, Pidove, Bulbasaur, Squirtle! Radiant Blastoise! I was not expecting us to be there. Okay, that is a Radiant card I did want. And we've got the Gyarados. Okay, I'm happy to get that. Also, actually, let me know your favourite Radiant card and which box you think wins. So, code card. Can we get anything else out of this box? Be fantastic if we can. We've got the Pupitar, Candela, another team leader, Slowbro, we've got the Pidove, Magikarp, Onix, Eevee, Normal, Bulbasaur, and the Alolan Executor V. Okay, I've got the promo of that as well. Very nice. This box is treating us well so far. I don't believe there'll be anything else in this one, but we can all hope. So 4 from the back to the front, and we've got Fire Energy, Solrock, got the Lure module, Charmeleon, Bidoof, Meltan, Charmander, Ambipom, not Ambipom, Bulbasaur, Spinnerack is not a Ditto, it's a reverse, and a Glycopod Holo. Words apparently are not easy either today. So, there we are. Just ripping it away and you lot won't get your code. Wouldn't it be nice, would it? So, energy. We've got Spark as well, the last of the team leaders. Chansey, Zotu, Apom, Bulbasaur, another Pidove, Magikarp, Onix, Squirtle reverse, and a Holo Charizard. Alright, last one of this box. Apparently doesn't want to open, but we did it anyway. So we've got a Bidoof to start with. Just going to fly through this pack. Bidoof, Onix, Bibarel, Meltan, Magikarp, Egg Incubator, and Articuno. And there we are. Let's go with Team Valor next. We've got Candela, the pin, which we'll have a look at in a second. I just got to get it open. So, we've got some more codes for you all there. There is that pin, which is very nice as well. Let's get Candela out. There we are. Again, another nice looking promo. Look at that. Very nice as well. I'm going to put that over there. I'm going to put that there actually. 6 Pokemon Go packs. Code card. Let's get cracking. Fly through some of these. Let's see what we can get. Well, so we've got Pikachu, Spinnerack, Wimpod, Larvitar, Numel, Spark Reverse, and a Venusaur. No Squirtle. Shame. Not very nice. There we are. So we've got Onix, Bibarel, Meltan, got the Magikarp, Apom, Bulbasaur Reverse, and another Alolan Executor V, and Energy. And yeah, none of them are Squirtles, which is a bit of a shame. But there we are. So far, the same V card out of both boxes. If we get a Blastoise, Radiant Blastoise, then there's something wrong. But we'll see. So we've got Wimpod, Bidoof, Magikarp, Meltan, Eevee, Radiant Blastoise again. Okay. What is going on? Is that it then? Oh my. I know I said I wanted a Radiant, a lot of Radiant Blastoise because I do like, the Squirtle line and that, but this is crazy. Tranquil, Charmander, Eevee, Natu, Ambipom, Lapras, Tyranitar. I'm just wondering if we're going to get a Squirtle and a reverse holo Squirtle now. What is going on with these boxes? Wimpod, Pidove, Squirt. Right. Okay. Lure Module, Blissey. I do like that one. There we are. Last pack of the box. If there's a reverse holo Squirtle in here, then these boxes somehow, got the same pulls in them. Slowpoke. I got worried then. I saw the blue and I was like, no. There we are, Charmeleon. There we are. Let's get into the last one. Now, I'm just going to clear this lot up. No, leave it. If we get the same 2 card pulls from this Team Instinct box, then there's something amiss. Right. So, there's them codes for you all. one promo of Spark as well, full art. Again, looking, I think that's just dirt in the sleeve. Very nice as well. And we have Team Instinct's pin badge. Really, really nice. Put that there. 6 packs. A code card. Please tell me we do not get the same pulls. Right, we're going to go through the first few like we did a minute ago. We'll go do the pack trick on the last few. Natu, Alola, Maticate, Tranquil, Blastoise. There we are. Only the hollow Blastoise, but Blastoise made an appearance, that's for sure. I cannot believe that. Alright, Bidoof, Onix, Bibarel, Meltan, Magikarp, Reverse Zapdos, and a Moltres. Okay, there we are. Alright, we'll go through this one and then pack trick the last 3. Let's see. So we've got the Pikachu, Wimpod, Bidoof, Bulbasaur, Squirtle, Conkeldurr V. Okay, so it's not the same pull, which is great. I was just checking out this Spinarak in case it was the Ditto, which I've not had yet. So here we are, Conkeldurr V. Let's do the pack trick on these last ones. So, code card. 4. This feels really weird. So, Energy, Lure Module, Pupitar, got Chansey, Apom, Larvitar, Numel, Bulbasaur, got the Onix, Reverse Magikarp, and the Blissey Hollow. Okay, no sign of a Radiant Blastoise in this box. Got Bidoof, Pidove, not Pidoof, Bidoof. I don't know, it just feels like a possible, really weird. Energy, Lunatone, got Chansey, got the Ivysaur, Bidoof, Pidove. Jeez. Why can I not speak today? Squirtle! Cameron Reverse Hollow. And the Professor's Research Full Art. This goes really well with these boxes, that is for sure. Just get you a sleeve, Professor. Professor Willow. Okay, I've got to say, so far, if we get a Radiant or anything else, then the Team Instinct box will win, in my opinion. But, as I said earlier, if you enjoyed today's video, please do leave a like. And while you're down there, consider hitting the subscribe button and notification bell. It really does help. And don't forget to check out the last Pokemon Go video. It was the Alolan Executor V box versus the Arceus V box. Definitely worth a watch. There was some craziness happening in that one. Charmander, got the Apom, Bulbasaur, Rare Candy Reverse, and a Golisopod Hollow. So, no particular order, but this is what we got today. We got the Blanche Full Art promo, Alolan Executor V, the Professor's Research Full Art, another Alolan Executor V, the promo of Spark Full Art, Conkeldurr V, a Radiant Blastoise, Candela Full Art promo, a second Radiant Blastoise. I cannot believe that happened today. So hopefully I'll see you guys in another video. Goodbye.